Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this cute home decor for this autumn season. It's a gnome made all in paper, and the peculiar part of this gnome is that it can stand, as you can see, and we will need some paper for the body and the arms, and another piece of paper in another color for the hat, the bird, and then for the nose and our hands. Okay, let's get started. We will need to create for the body a sort of circle we can trace with a better in this way. We can trace it with a pencil, and then we will do in this way. It can be perfect, it's not necessary. Okay, with a pair of scissors we will cut our body. Okay, and then if you are not happy you can cut again. Okay, then we will need to create our support, and then we will trace a similar, we will need the same height. Then we will trace it with our scissors, but if you prefer you can use the pencil, and then we will need to glue this on the back in this way. So we will start to glue this part in this way, and then we will do so without creating a crease. We will need to do only in this way. So our fold a little. Okay, here our gnome. Okay, now we will need to trace the bird. We can do a sort of zigzag, and then cut inside the lines, because I cut inside and side. I will use the other part, so in this way. Okay, and then we will glue this here. Okay, I will need, I can see that I need to adjust my support. Okay, now we will need to create our hat, and then we will trace a sort of a triangle. In this way, and then if this triangle, this hat is a little big, you can cut again. Okay, round the corner, and here our hat. Okay, we can glue the hat here. Now, using a circle punch, we will create our nose and glue the nose here. Okay, and then now we will need to create the two arms and the two hands. In order to create the two arms, I suggest that you will use a piece of brown paper, fold enough, and using your pencil you will create this kind of form. You can create this, and then using our scissors we will cut our arms, and then voila, here our idea. Glue your arm here under the bird, here in this place, voila. And here in this place. Okay, now we will need to create the two ends, and you can do in the same way. Fold enough so you will trace only once. Okay, here our ends, and then we can cut the ends. With the scissors. Here, just a second, it's not quite round. We can cut again a quite simple end. Okay, now we will need to glue the end to the arm, so here, and then better to leave the pencil part inside, and here you are finished gnome. Now if you want, you can glue a paper heart or a flower. I created my paper heart using my heart punch, and then you can add some little sparkle to this cute gnome, and this way, and here your finished project. Yeah, they are so cute, and then you can create them bigger or a little smaller. They are surely a very great, a great home decor for the table for this fall season. It's quite nice. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with another paper creation. Bye bye.